Yo boys, welcome back to day 21, which seems like the most longest shit I've ever done in my life. Acquiring 5 accounts on TopStep and 2 on Tradify. But max allocation is what we're going for, especially before the year. As this is my first year ever trading. I started on January, took my first ever trade January 6th, and passed my first funded September, and then got my first payout in October. And so now I'm going for max allocation. I'm going to 350k in funding. And yo, if you aren't already, sub the fuck up. And if you don't know who I am, get to fucking know. Because next year we're going to blow the fuck up. Trust me. You're going to watch someone go from 0 to 100 real quick. Trust me. But yo, as you can see, boys, the goals have been put on the wall. 2025 goals. Started YouTube, did that in May. Started on a demo account, got my first payout in October. Boom, max allocation. But yo, boys, another day, another fucking dollar. Let's get into the video. Yo, boys, just before we get into this video, real quick. A lot of you have seen me trading and doing this shit for quite a while now, right? It's been quite a while I've been trying to pass these accounts. It's literally been taught to me like 3 steps forwards, 3 steps backwards, 3 steps forwards, 3 steps backwards. I'm just like breaking even almost, but slowly being profitable. And it's driving me fucking insane, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But yo, one thing, if you don't already know me, but if you know me, one thing to know about me, I do not give up. And that is that. I do not stop, I do not give, and I'm a resilient motherfucker. So trust me, boys, we are eventually going to fucking whack this one off the board, and we're going to be able to tick that shit. I promise you that. I promise you that. I'll put my fucking life on that shit. Trust me. And I know some of you are blowing accounts, I know some of you are failing a lot, and I know a lot of people are losing money and shit like that, but yo, trust me. Do not fucking stop. Do not quit, because I will not quit on you, I promise you. Lock the fuck in. Let's get into the video. Peace. As you can see here, boys, I am trading 2 prop firms at the exact same time. I'm trading 3 TopStep accounts and 2 Tradify accounts. Right, yo, boys, another day, another fucking dollar. Right, yesterday we would have passed all 3 accounts. Unfortunately, we didn't. It was $100 off of passing. Was $100 off of passing every fucking account, and we'd be 350k funded, and we'd be going into 26 with our fucking. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop there before I say some dumb shit. I then took a sell. Emotions kicked in, boys, I'll be honest with you. When you're taking that last trade where you're like, oh, you're about to pass all your accounts, the emotions have kicked in every time I've done it. I would have fucking, yeah, I mean, by the looks of it, but we had this like green candle, as you can see here, that just like, when I entered it, just came out of nowhere, and I was like, fuck that, I don't want to be, anyway. So yeah, boys, that was Monday, and yeah, today is another day, another dollar, and yeah, let's get into it. So, it's pretty strong. That's a strong reversal. Don't go off here.
Order filled.
I mean, where the fuck's my stop loss? 500. Boom. Right. Let's get this shit going, boys. And then my other ones have to get 1200, right? Boom. Alright, sweet. It's moving wiggy. Right. It's reversing a little bit here, boys. See what happens in this bitch. Alright. Alright, so we've hit a 1-to-1 there, boys. I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna keep it moving for right now. But yeah, boys, let's get this shit. Just chill now. I'm going for that 1 to 2.5 RR today. Right, what can we bounce off? Right, there's a strong liquidity grab that could potentially just reverse us right here. As you can see here, I've just marked it out. I would prefer and like us to break below that, but yeah. See what happens, fam. See what happens, fam. Wow. See this green? This is on the 1 minute now, right? I wanted to push. This could be a break and retest, you get me? Fuck, I'm losing track. Where the fuck's the 5 minute at? Yeah, so we've come down. We've bounced off of this so far. Right? We've bounced off of all this shit here, as you can see. We're struggling. We just need to push down. That's all we need to do now. Maybe potentially put stops to... Alright, 5 minutes close below. Let's see what happens here. I am going to be ready to close this shit. I've put my stops to break even at this point because...
Order filled.
Yeah, okay, cool. It is what it is. Stops at break even. Right, we're getting some volume come through.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in, boys. I'm now in on a buy. Hopefully this shit don't just reverse and we lose. But I have found that the reversals have been very, very high probability. But we'll see. If this loses, it loses, right? Right, yo, come on. Oh, it's pushing. Like I said, boys, these are the very high probability trades that I've been seeing, that I've been tracking. I'll get into it after this video if it's worth doing so, but yeah, let's just chill, man. Just chill out, man. Yo, boys, big up to fucking everyone that's been supporting this shit, you know. If you man are like watching this shit, if you are watching this right now and you've been watching all the other videos, like, big up to all of you, innit?
Order filled.
What the fuck?
Order filled.
What the fuck just happened? Bro, what the fuck just happened then? That was just some bullshit, man. So yo, boys, that's how the week's looking so far. 2 L's back to back, unfortunately. But as you all know, with me, my W's, my wins eat up all them L's anyway in one trade. So we can literally bring back and be positive by tomorrow if we have a good trade. And then all we would need again is just like $500 on Thursday, and we'd be past. But shit start, especially when both days and both trades in the morning, for New York session, were like super close to passing. Like this day on the Monday, yesterday was $100 from passing every single account, and then today we just taking some bullshit trade. No, not really. We traded well today. I managed risk well. It just is what it is. It just simply is what it is. But again, 1 win tomorrow swallows both of them. So as long as I keep the same proper risk management, we should be fucking good. And yeah, keep it moving, boys. Keep it moving. Now, if you want to see all accounts and all of if you want to see every trade and every account combined, as you can see here, this is 5 accounts combined. Last week was up 8.5k. This week was so far down 3.9k. So we're still profitable overall for the month. Like I said, 1 win tomorrow, 1 win on Thursday. We should fucking fly. But we'll see what happens, boys. We will see what happens. If you want to use something like this, which basically copy trades all my accounts across multiple platforms, it is in the description. It's called Trade Syncer. Get on that shit. And then last thing, if you want instant funding on a platform just like TopStep, go to Tradify. That'll also be in my description. It's also a 1 day pass and no activation fees. So get on that shit, boys. And yeah, keep it moving. Another day, another dollar. We do not fucking quit. We do not stop. We do not give up. Go do some good shit today. Get in the gym. fucking work on yourself and keep it moving, boys. 1L is not defining who you are as a trader. It's not defining me. It's not going to define any of you. Just keep on moving, keep on pushing through, and how you handle these losses is exactly going to determine how and who you become. So, another day, another dollar. Love to every single one of you. Keep it fucking moving. Let's go.